If you want to remove a payment method from your target account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Target website or open the Target app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found under your profile icon or in the menu options. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Payment Options. Click on this to view all your saved payment methods. Step 4. Choose a payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete this payment method. Step 5. Confirm removal. Click on the Delete or Remove option. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any additional instructions to finalize the removal. After completing these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Target account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Target customer support for assistance.